Attention stylists and beauty professionals. We invite you to join us for a hands-on workshop in non-surgical hair replacement using the Weave Buddy system. The workshop will be held in Baja California, Mexico at the beautiful Calafia Resort. In just one day, you will learn all 3 phases of the Weave Buddy system from the beginner level through advanced cranial hair replacement. Registration is $600. Your registration includes a full day of hands-on training, 3 Weave Buddy cranial prosthesis units, a certification ceremony, snacks, soft drinks, and water. Please note that registration does not include room and board or transportation. Participants will be responsible for arranging their own accommodations and transportation. Come, learn new techniques, strengthen your skills, and discover new ways to help your clients regain confidence in their appearance. Space is limited, so reserve your place today. Thank you, and may God bless you.